Acute appendicitis. Appendix is a finger-like pouch measuring from 3 to 4 inches, which is a non-functional part of the digestive system. It is attached with the cecum, that is at the junction of the small and large intestine. When it is irritated by the fecalith, pathogens, parasites, undigested foreign body like seeds, nails, pins, these causes inflammation in this part of the intestine, which is primarily functionless. So it is inflamed, swollen, produces low grade fever, pain, nausea, vomiting, which is aggravated and intensified by coughing and sneezing and fast walking. Diagnosis is by the plain X-ray, CT scans, and abdominal ultrasonography, especially for the pregnant and the children ones. Mostly it occurs from 10 to 30 years age scale, but can appear at any age in any gender. The diagnostic feature is there is rebound tenderness and pain on palpation and percussion in the McBurney point, and it is located in the right iliac fossa. So when we just palpate at this site, it produces severe pain to the patient, and it is the main diagnostic feature. The treatment of the acute appendicitis is on emergency basis. It should not be delayed. Maintain the fluid and electrolyte balance. Administer broad spectrum antibiotics, analgesics like morphine sulfate, and antiemetics injection should be infused immediately. Then the surgeon must start emergency surgery in acute appendicitis, because in most cases it may pass into the appendicular abscess, which if ruptured produces peritonitis and septicemia, which is very fatal in the human body. Emergency surgery consists of open incisional abdominal surgery, in which 2 to 3 inches incision is given at McBurney point, and abdomen is opened and the diseased or pathological appendix is removed and the abdominal wall is stitched on. Now the modern tendency in surgery is laparoscopic surgery. It is also called as robotic surgery or the keyhole surgery. 3 to 4 small holes are made in the anterior abdominal wall, and the laparoscope fitted with light and video camera is inserted, and the other medical instruments are introduced in the abdomen, and it is administered, and the surgery is done by the expert surgeon. That is called as robotic surgery. It is a machine through by means of which various instruments are passed through these holes, and the appendix which is inflamed is excised and removed out of the body. So it is a very beneficial one, because it is a short duration surgery, and also the recovery period is very short. Patient become healthy even after 2 weeks rest, whereas the traditional open abdominal surgery needs at least 1 to 3 months bed rest for recovery of the patient to his normal